Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add social links on Facebook profile. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply go click on your left upper side on your profile picture, and then you're gonna go on the profile section on your profile. Right down you need to go for edit profile, and you need to scroll down and go for the section that says links. Go for edit, and now here are all social links that are added to your profile. If you go, for example, to remove someone, you can go just remove and it's gone. Link, if I tap on the first upper side, if you have that priority, you can add it. Now you can go not only for YouTube, you can go for Instagram, and here, for example, you can type for your name, your username on your Instagram. Now go on the tick on your right side, and here, as you can see, it is added. Now how do I save it? Just by tapping on the save on my right upper side, and I need to wait for refreshing, then take a refresh, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.